step of making cake pops is making either cake or cupcakes. We chose cupcakes. The second step is if you have cupcakes, you have to peel the cupcakes and then put the cake into the mixer. The next step is to put the lid on the mixer and seal it, and then there's a little thing here that you pull. Okay, that now all the cake is crumbled. You can see you have to take the mixer out. I'll just put this aside now. And I'll get the cake and I'll pour it into here. And then just get all the rest out. And then I'll get this icing and I'll get a few scoops. 1, 2. And then now I have to use my hand and I have to mix it all up. Here we go. Okay, I made my first cake pop. Here are the vanilla cake pops. Now we're gonna make the chocolate ones.
Okay, now here it is, the, I guess you could say, batter. Now, it's time to take this out, get all the chocolate off of it, put it here, put it all in the bowl.
Here are the final cake pops we did. We have 9 of the vanilla ones, and we have 9 of the chocolate ones. And now we have to put them in the freezer for 30 minutes, and then we cover them with chocolate, and we'll eat them. Okay, I'm about to put these in the deep freeze. See you in 30 minutes. I just took them out of the freezer. Let's see how they look. They actually look pretty good. So here are the chocolate ones and then the vanilla ones. And right here we have the white chocolate that we're gonna melt. And we're gonna put it on the vanilla ones and see how they turn out. You have to put it in for 15 seconds. Okay, I'm about to dip the first one in. There we go. Let's open the cake pops. There we go. So we have some white chocolate drizzled on the top of these ones and these ones, and you have to let them, because they were in the freezer, so we have to let them out for a bit, let them sit, and then we'll eat them.
How does it taste?
That's so good. I had a lot of fun making these cake pops. Like and subscribe for more YouTube videos. Bye.